How to change or remove phone number on Spotify. In order to do so, you may follow this step. So for that, you can't do it directly within the app. What you need to do is head over to Spotify support. So you may open up Spotify support in any of your browser, and once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. So you may head over to support.spotify.com, the very first link, and once you are there, you will be finding this. So what you can do is you may go ahead and look for the option called so here you'll be finding different articles available that may help you. Otherwise, you may scroll down and look for an option called Contact Spotify, and then you may go ahead and directly contact them by going to Contact Us section. So you may go ahead and message them, and what you can do is simply go ahead and type in your issue like that you want to change your phone number. After that is done, they should respond you throughout the conversation, and then go ahead and help you change your phone number or remove your phone number after you go ahead and type in a message in this inbox section and send it to them. So that's it for now. You may follow this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.